Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the sports wheel package, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A macchiato beige MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging. Running up the tailgate, we've got electric tailgate. Set of clean floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with their Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a barrel walnut wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, a touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E300 has 28,708 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.